Everyday carry setups aren't complete without a reliable knife, and the Civivi Mini Praxis checks nearly every box. Civivi has earned its name for combining top-tier fit and finish with prices that stay within reach, and this compact version of the full-size Praxis is no exception. Designed for those who loved the original but wanted something easier to pocket, the Mini Praxis trims things down without losing capability. Its 2.9-inch drop-point blade lands right in the EDC sweet spot, compact enough for urban carry, yet long enough for daily cutting tasks and within most legal limits. Flipper deployment on caged ceramic ball bearings means this knife flicks open effortlessly, offering that smooth, fidget-friendly action Civivi is known for. The D2 steel blade delivers dependable edge retention, while the textured black G10 scales keep it light and grippy at just 2.77 ounces. Add in a deep carry pocket clip and a closed length of 3.81 inches, and you've got a clean, discreet folder that rides comfortably and disappears in your pocket. The perfect blend of practicality and everyday refinement. Gerber, the Portland-based brand known for making reliable EDC gear at approachable prices, continues that legacy with the Prybrid Utility, a clever hybrid tool designed to save your good knife from unnecessary wear and tear. Instead of using your premium folder to slice open boxes or scrape stubborn surfaces, the Prybrid steps in as the perfect workhorse. It combines a standard replaceable utility blade with a compact pry bar, tackling rough tasks so your main blade doesn't have to. A sliding mechanism with a dual detent safety keeps blade deployment smooth and secure, while the opposite end packs 8 built-in functions, including a pry bar, nail puller, wire stripper, bottle opener, and both flat and Phillips screwdrivers. The textured G10 scales ensure a solid grip and even feature a cord-cutting notch that works when the blade is closed, making quick cuts safer and easier. Measuring 4.25 inches long and weighing just 2.9 ounces, it's compact enough for pocket carry, even without a clip. And when the blade dulls, just flip or swap it out for a fresh one in seconds. No sharpening needed. For anyone who's tired of abusing their favorite EDC knife on everyday chores, the Prybrid Utility is the smarter, tougher solution.